I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I have a class clown. He's not mean, he's actually very funny, but he's causing lots of distractions. I don't want to get mad at him to make him stop, but what exactly do I do? That's a really great question. I think we all have gone to school knowing the class clown. So here's the first thing I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to reflect back on your experiences in school. All right, this is really powerful. So just bear with me. Reflect on the classrooms that you were in and try to think of the peers that were in your class when you were little that might have been the class clown, that kid who you're saying that was really kind of funny. And how did your teacher respond? All right. If your teacher responded with that or was really agitated, it may have fueled the class clown a little more. All right. Or they may have got and looked around and the other kids were going, look at the teacher's really upset now. And that kind of fueled them even more because now they're like, oh, I got a lot of control over this teacher. All right. So don't give up your control with the class clown. And I love what you say that sometimes he's actually or she's actually really funny. And so you can say, funny, not a good time. Or, save that for later. Let them know that it's okay to be funny, but their timing is really off. And sit down with them one-on-one and have that conversation if you want to. Another way to think about this is the class clown, the person who's very dramatic, the person who wants to be seen, is how do we look at that child differently and figure out where can they take these strengths and channel them into something that's more positive. So make recommendations where that child can be on the stage. Make recommendations where that child can take over something. So it's not that being the class clown and being funny is a bad thing. It's about the timing and when you're doing it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.